Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys that how to resolve if mouse cursor disappears in Windows 11 computers or laptops. So there are a few things you can try out. If you are using a USB mouse, you can plug it out and plug it in again. Or you can change the USB port as well where your mouse is plugged in, or you can also change the mouse as well. But if still things are not moving in your favor, you can move down to driver for troubleshooting. For that purpose, click on this search button here and type device manager. Here it is. Click on it. Click yes if you see user account control prompt on your screen. Expand it. And in the device manager, go to this mice and other pointing devices. Click on it and go to the mouse option. Here you can go to the driver tab and just click on the update driver. If you are connected to internet, click on this search automatically for drivers. Click on it. So it's saying that the best driver for your device are already installed. So close it. You can also browse your computer for drivers manually. Click on it and let me pick from all this stuff available drivers on my computer. Click on it. So it's showing me the compatible hardware. Click on any of them and click next. So Windows has successfully updated your driver. Close it. So that's the way guys how you can resolve. After that you need to restart your computer or laptop. So that's the way how to resolve if mouse cursor disappears on Windows 11 computers or laptop. So I hope you have learned it. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for further informative tutorials. Take care. Goodbye.